Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two highly regarded summer touring tires, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 and the Hankook Ventus Prime 4. Let's explore how these tires stand against each other in various performance categories, focusing on their capabilities in wet and dry conditions, noise levels, and rolling resistance. So buckle up, as this is going to be a fascinating showdown for anyone passionate about driving. First, let's talk about wet conditions. The Bridgestone Turanza 6 slightly edges out the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 in most tests, with an average wet handling speed of 86.4 km per hour compared to the Ventus Prime 4E's 85.4 km per hour. The Turanza 6 shows superior grip and control. In terms of stopping power, the Turanza 6 halts just 0.4 meters longer than the Ventus Prime 4, showcasing its effective braking. Furthermore, the Turanza 6 excels in aquaplaning resistance, maintaining control at higher speeds and better lateral acceleration on wet surfaces. Switching to dry conditions, the dynamics slightly shift. While the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 shows a remarkable dry braking capability, stopping 1.1 meters shorter than the Turanza 6, it's the Bridgestone tire that takes the lead in dry handling. The Turanza 6 achieves higher speeds around the track, indicating better maneuverability and cornering performance, which is crucial for those spirited driving sessions. Moving on to comfort, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 proves to be the quieter contender. At 69.4 decibels, it produces less road noise compared to the Ventus Prime 4E's 70.2 decibels, ensuring a more serene and comfortable driving experience. This difference might seem small, but it's significant enough to affect the overall comfort inside the vehicle. When it comes to efficiency, the Turanza 6 also leads with lower rolling resistance, which means less energy is needed to keep the tire rolling. This efficiency not only enhances fuel economy but also contributes to a lesser environmental impact, making it a slightly better option for eco-conscious drivers. In conclusion, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 excels in wet and dry handling and also aquaplaning, while the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 offers strong wet and dry braking. The choice between them will ultimately depend on your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.